All right, welcome into our two-part video. Part one, you're going to see my talking head here. In part two, you're going to see me plot some points on the coordinate plane. Well, sometimes the coordinate plane is called the Cartesian plane. And of course, we're wondering, why is it called the Cartesian plane? Well, it's named after the mathematician René Descartes, a genius person, a wonderful mathematician. The rumor is, well, I shouldn't say the rumor, the legend is that Descartes was sick in bed one day with the flu. And the ceiling of the room that he was in was inlaid with wood, and it had various moldings that went down the top of the ceiling and also went across. And rumor has it that a fly came into the room and was flying around on the ceiling. And Descartes was watching as the fly moved from spot to spot. And that got his mind thinking about, is there a way we could tell exactly where the fly is? And so the Cartesian plane then was born. So that's the legend. Whether it's true or not, who knows? But it sure makes a good story. One thing I've gotten away with students when explaining the coordinate plane is to use the concept of two number lines. And mathematicians, being the wildly creative people that they are, called the number line that we're used to seeing that goes this way the X number line. And they also put down another number line called the Y number line, which works the same way, zeros in the middle. Just your positive numbers are up here and your negative numbers are down there. So I always remember it, Y to the sky, X is going this way, Y to the sky. So have you heard about the dance sensation that is sweeping the nation? It's called the slide hop. And we're going to use the slide hop here in just a minute, where you can actually get your students physically up and moving, and they can plot points on the coordinate plane. So the slide hop is easy to use, and you'll have a handout there that you can use that has explanations for your students. Essentially, in a minute, I'm going to demonstrate 2 points, and I'm going to show you how we do that with the slide hop. In the second part of this video, you'll only be able to see my probably my pants and my shoes. And so don't worry, I'll still be talking there, but I'm be the disembodied head from another part. But I'm going to show you how the slide hop works. And so really encourage you to use this with your students. The good news is that you can do this anywhere. And what I've done here is a classroom that adjoins my office. I've just put down two things of masking tape, one for the X number line and one for the Y number line. And I put some smaller ones to show the various points on the X and the Y number line. The great thing about most schools is they've got an old asbestos tile floor, and you can grab masking tape and put it on the asbestos tile floor just to use each one of the tiles as one point on your coordinate plane. So it's very easy to do. You can also use a marker. Use one, of course, that's going to come off. You don't want to get the custodial staff angry with you. So you could also just draw it. That's probably the easiest way to go, since masking tape costs money and no one has money for supplies these days. So as we do this next part of the video, just watch as I plot a couple of points on the coordinate plane using the slide hop method. Great way to get your students up and involved and have fun while they learn in a concrete way about the coordinate plane.